Hello everybody, I hope everybody's well and okay. Now, this is going to be a bird and budgie talk. I don't do them very often, but when something occurs to me or a light bulb explodes in my head and I think it's relevant, then I will discuss this with you. So, in my hand is a mirror. So this may not be a long chat, a long talk, but I just thought it would be relevant. So if you come with me, right, now here's our Sammy. See, even seeing herself in the mirror makes her react on this phone. It makes, she can see another bird. So if I do this, right, how can I do this? And I put this in front of her, just like that. Just like that. She'll go to it every time. Because budgies don't recognise themselves. She thinks it's another bird. She doesn't see herself, which is really, really sad. So with mirrors and birds, you have to be careful. Look at how she is. It's just really, really sad. That's why I've not got a mirror in a cage, because it may cause problems with behaviour, and especially with her being a female, it may cause other problems. I've got this big fear with her being a female that she'll get egg bung, and egg bung is like, it's hormonal. And in an earlier video, I do talk about egg bung if you'd like to check it out. But I always worry it'll happen again, because it did happen with a previous bird I had when I was a child. So, I know a lot of people hang mirrors in the cages, in the budgie's cage, but it's not always a good thing. If you want your budgie to have a mirror, you're better off just letting them play for it just for a little bit, because it can become an obsession. Okay, I just thought I'd share this with you. Yeah, right. Hey? Alright. So, please, just be careful with mirrors and your budgies. Okay. I'll see you all again soon. Okay.